The three A's. The three A's. Adoption. Sorry, awareness, adoption, advocacy. All the grammar we've spoken in the last 1 hour, 30 minutes, everything boils down to these three things. Awareness, advocacy, sorry, adoption, advocacy. A company is hiring you because they want either one or two or all of these three things from you. Either that you're getting hired because they want you to increase awareness of their products. Either they're getting you on board because they want you to increase adoption of the products, or bringing you on board to enable advocacy of the products. All of the things we mentioned earlier are vital, but it's key to know what stage in the product are we in right now? What activity, what strategy, what plan can we put in place that can benefit adoption, awareness, advocacy? So that we'll not go and be focusing our attention on something that will not give us our results. We could be doing things for adoption, but it's meant for awareness. So these are three things that needs to be done. And of course, it's going to help you with of course, the last model is about jobs. So you need to master your niche in a way that you need to give companies any of these three values. Either you're a king or queen in creating awareness of developer products. Either you're a master in creating awareness or adoption for your products. Or when it comes to advocacy, now you finish work for there. But we need to understand that these are the three things any B2D company is looking for. Let's begin with awareness.